Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will learn how to do multiplication of fractions. Okay. So first of all, what do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. Whenever again and again we repeat the same fraction. So at the place of repeated addition we do multiplication. Okay. For example, 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6, okay, plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. How many times we add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we add these, so the same denominator is there. So denominator will take 1 times 6. Then numerator add 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 upon 6. Okay. But at the place of this, we can use, that will take a lot of time and take a lot of space. So at the place of repeated addition, we use multiplication. So how many times we repeat addition? 6 times. So we can do like this: 6 multiply by 1 upon 6. Then numerator multiply by numerator, 6 ones are 6 upon 6. So the answer is same. So at the place of repeated addition, we can use multiplication because multiplication is repeated addition. Okay. Now there is two method of multiplication. One is simple method. How? You will do numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Okay. How we will do? Suppose we are having 4 upon 7 multiply by 6 upon 2. Okay. So simple way, if they is saying that multiply, that means आपको सिर्फ multiply करना है. There is not simplification. So multiply means you should multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 4 6 are 24 and 7 2 are 14. Okay. Now this is improper fraction, so we can change it into mixed. So it's become 1 whole 10 upon 14. Okay. Simply we can do if there is given that multiply. But in the same question, we can do, there is given 4 upon 7 multiply by 6 upon 2. So here we tell the answer 1 whole 10 upon 14. Now we can see that 10 upon 14 is equals to which one? 10 and 14 both are coming in which table? In 2 table. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14. So it's come 1 whole 5 upon 7. Because both are coming in 2 tables. So we divide by 2. Okay. Second method, this is the direct method, that numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. But if we have, there is given that simplify and then multiply. So that means firstly we will simplify. And what is we doing simplify? We should cancel numerator by denominator. कभी भी numerator से numerator cancel नहीं होगा, numerator by denominator. But in multiplication, any numerator with any denominator we can cancel. How we cancel? We will see that in which table numerator and denominator both are coming. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसकी टेबल में न्यूमरेटर भी आ रहा है और डिनोमिनेटर भी आ रहा है. So we will see that from here there is denominator and numerator both are coming in different tables. 7 is a prime number, but in 7 table 4 is not coming. But here we can see that 2 and 6 both are coming in 2 tables. So we can cancel. 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is a prime number and in 3 table we don't have 7. That means no one will cancel and there is 1 only. So now we should do multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 4 3s are 12 and 7 1s are 7. Again it is improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. So it's become 1 whole 5 upon 7. So in the both condition you will get the same answer. Okay, you can write this one also. This means also same because 10 upon 14 is the equivalent of 5 upon 7. Okay, अगर आप ये भी छोड़ते हो 1 whole 10/14, so that's also correct because this 10/14 is the equivalent of 5/7. So the both condition you will get the same answer. So if there is given that simplify then multiply, so you will use this process. But if there is saying that only multiply, so directly you should multiply and write the answer. Okay, so like this we will do in the exercise. So now exercise 4.3, question number 1 is there, fill in the blanks. Okay, so here you have to solve and fill in the blanks. A part is there, 1/8 multiplied by 16. So here is 16 is a whole number, there is no denominator, so we can take denominator 1. So 1/8 multiplied by 16/1, because there is no denominator, so we can take the denominator 1. When we have a whole number, so we will take 1 as a denominator. Now as I told you how we multiply, numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 1 multiplied by 16, 16 ones are 16 and 8 ones are 8. Now numerator divided by denominator, because this is improper fraction. Numerator is big and denominator is small. So 16 divided by 8. So in 8 table where we have 16 on 2 number, 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. So that means this is equals to 2. 16 divided by 8, that's equals to 2. So 2 is our answer. So we can fit here also. Okay. Now it's a B part. 7 multiplied by 21/8. So what will we do? We will take, here is no denominator, so we can take denominator 1. So 7/1 multiplied by 21/8. Now numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So now 21 multiplied by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Upon 8. Now this is again improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. How we will change it into mixed? 147 divided by 8. So divided by 8, 8 ones are 8, 14 minus 8, 6. We note down 7, 8 8s are 64. 67 minus 64, 3. So 18 whole 3/8. So that's equals to 18 whole 3/8. That's your answer. So we fill here also 18 whole 3/8. That's your answer. Now it's a C part. In C part what we have? 4/5 multiplied by 3. So 4/5 multiplied by 3. Sorry, multiplied by 4. Okay. So 4/5 multiplied by 4. Now there is no denominator, so we can take denominator 1. Okay. Now numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So 4 4s are 16 and 5 ones are 5. Now again it is improper fraction, so we change it into mixed. So 16 divided by 5. So 5 3 are complete, 5 3s are 15. Then 16 minus 15, there will be 1 as remainder, so 1 numerator and denominator will be same. So 3 whole 1/5. So we fill here 3 whole 1/5. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will solve. Next is, here is D part, 1/4 multiplied by 9. So same process will be there also. 1/4 multiplied by 9/1, because there is no denominator. So now 9 ones are 9 and 4 ones are 4. Now again it is improper fraction. So 9 divided by 4. So what's your answer? 2 whole 1/4. Because 9 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 complete. Then 9 minus 8, 1, 1/4. So 2 whole 1/4. That's your answer. Okay. You can write in front of this. Why I write downside here and in C part? Because there is no space. I am not having space, so that's why I write downside. But you can write in front of that. Okay, इसके सामने आप आंसर राइट कर दें. Next 1 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 5. So you can see that there is both have numerator and denominator. Both fractions have numerator and denominator both. So as it is, we should multiply 1 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 5. Now numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 2 ones are 2 and 5 sevens are 35. The 7 5 are 35. Both is same because in multiplication as step 5 sevens are 35 and 7 5s are also 35. So it's 2 upon 35. It is proper fraction. And you can see that in 2 table we don't have 35 because 35 is a odd number. Okay. And 2 is an even number. So in 2 table 35 will not come. So that's your answer. 2 upon 35. If it comes, then we take this. Okay, if into table and denominator comes, so we divide. Now next is 56 multiply by 7 upon 8. So in 56 we don't have denominator, so 56 upon 1 multiply by 7 upon 8. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Now 56 multiply by 7 and 1 multiply by 8. So 7 6 are 42. 4 goes carry. Now 7 5 are 35. 35 plus 4 39 upon 8. Now 392 divided by 8. So 392 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. Now 9 minus 2, 7 and there is 0. Now we note down 2. Now 8 nines are 72. 72 minus 72, 0. Now we get the remainder 0. That means 49 is whole. Remainder is 0. So our answer is 49. Okay. Because remainder is 0. When your remainder is 0, that means whatever you quotient, that's your answer. So here is 49. That's your answer. Okay. If you want to show division, you can show. Otherwise, no need to show this division. Only you should show your solution. Division you can see in your rough notebook. You can solve in your rough notebook and then you can write your answer. Okay. So like this, you will do question 1. Now we will do question number 2. Now question number 2. Multiply the following. There is only multiply the following. There is not given that simplify, reduce in lowest term. Nothing is there. So that means you should multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator only. Okay. And that's your answer. So A part is there. 5 upon 8 multiply by 2 upon 6. So as it is we write 5 upon 8 multiply by 2 upon 6. Now we should multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 5 2s are 10 and 8 6 are 48. So that's your answer. Only you should multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator because there is given only multiply. There is not given that simplify and other things is there. Reduce in lowest term, nothing is there. Okay. Now it says B part 6 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 3. So the same we will write 6 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 3. Now 6 2s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. Okay, that's your answer. Now it's next part. C part 3 upon 4 multiply by 2 upon 3. So the same one we will write 3 upon 4 multiply by 2 upon 3. This is the simplest way of multiplication. Only numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. If you don't know the cancelling and reducing, only directly you can do numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. That's your answer. Okay. Now it's a D part. 3 upon 8 multiply by 2 upon 9. So 3 upon 8 multiply by 3 upon 8 multiply by 2 upon 9. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So 3 2s are 6 and 8 9s are 72. Only that one is your answer. Here is no need to reduce in lowest term. Nothing is there. Okay. So it's E and F part you will do yourself. It's very simple. Okay. Now we will do question number 3. Now question number 3. Simplify and multiply the following. Here you have to simplify. Firstly you will simplify and then you will multiply. Simplify means if numerator coming in denominator table, so we should cancel that. That is called simplify. Okay, means reducing in lowest term and then we will multiply. So it's A part. 3 multiply by 2 whole 1 upon 3. So first of all, whenever we have mixed fraction, so first of all we change it into improper fraction. So first of all 3. Now there is no denominator with 3, so we can take here 1. Multiply by, now this is mixed fraction, we change it into improper. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 3. Now we can see that in 3 table both 3 come. So by 3, in multiplication you can take any numerator with any denominator. किसी भी न्यूमरेटर से हम किसी भी डिनोमिनेटर को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. बट वन टर्म ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर एंड वन टर्म ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर. वन टर्म जो है वो न्यूमरेटर की होनी चाहिए, वन डिनोमिनेटर की. कभी भी न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर कैंसिल नहीं होगा और डिनोमिनेटर से डिनोमिनेटर. ओके. So now we can see that there is 3 and there is 3. Both 3 come in 3 tables. So we can cancel by 3. We will cancel by 3 means numerator and denominator both we will divide it by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Okay. 3 से 3 cancel. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So what is left from here? 1 upon 1 and multiply by 7 upon 1. Now 7 ones are 7. And 1 ones are 1. 7 upon 1. That's equals to 7. That's your answer. Okay. Now it's a B part. 7 whole 1 upon 2 multiply by 4. So first of all we change it into improper fraction. 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 1 15 upon 2. Multiply by, there is 4. There is no denominator, so we can take here 1. Now we can see that there is denominator 2. And there is 1. In 2 table we don't have 15 but we have 4. That means we can divide by 2. So this numerator and this denominator cancel with this numerator. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Both when numerator and denominator comes in both table, so both come in same table. So we can cancel. Cancel how we will cancel? By dividing. Okay. So we divide both by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So what is left here? 15 upon 1. And multiply by, there is 2 upon 1. Now 15 2s are 30 and 1 ones are 1. 30 upon 1 means that's equals to 30. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do. Next is C part. 10 multiply by 2 whole 1 upon 5. So 10, there is no denominator, so we can take here 1. 10 upon 1 multiply by, now 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. Now we can see there is denominator 1 and there is 5. In 5 table we have 10. That means we can cancel by 5. We can split the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now what is left from here? 2 upon 1. Multiply by 11 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. 11 2s are 22 upon 1 ones are 1. That's equals to 22. That's your answer. Okay. Because whenever denominator 1, that means we can write the whole number. What is your numerator? Now next is D part. 20 multiply by 2 whole 1 upon 5. So same one. There is no denominator, so we can make the denominator 1. multiply by 2 whole 1 upon 5. 5 2 jar 10, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5. Again we can see that 5 and 20 both come in 5 table. So we can cancel by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. We cancel. Now numerator multiply by numerator. So before that we write the what's left. 4 upon 1 multiply by 11 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator, 11 fours are 44 upon 1. That's equals to 44. That's your answer. Okay, so like this you can do. Now next it's a E part. 14 multiply by 2 whole 4 upon 7. So again 14 upon 1 multiply by. Now 7 2 jar 14. 14 plus 4 18 upon 7. Now again we can see that in 7 table 7 and 14 both come. Means this denominator and first numerator. So we should cancel by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 2 jar 14. Now here is 2 upon 1 multiply by 18 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator. So 18 2 jar 36. And 1 ones are 1. So 36 upon 1 that means 36. That's your आंसर. ओके, आप इसके सामने भी लिख सकते थे जैसे मैंने इनमें राइट किया है, आप नीचे भी राइट कर सकते हो इनका प्रोडक्ट. ओके, एज योर विश. नेक्स्ट 9 upon 1 because there is no denominator, so we can take here 1. Now 2 whole 1 upon 3. So 3 2 jar 6, 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. Again we can see that first numerator comes in second denominator table. In 3 table we have 9. So we can cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 3 are 9. Now from here 3 upon 1 and multiply by 7 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 7 3 are 21 upon 1 ones are 1. 21 upon 1 means that's equals to 21. That's your answer. So like this you will do question number 3. Okay. Simplify. Firstly simplify. Simplify means we should cancel whatever cancelling is there and after that we will multiply. Now question number 4. Now question number 4. Simplify, multiply and reduce the product to the lowest terms. Okay. Firstly आपको वही simplify करना है like the question number 3rd. Means if numerator and denominator cancelling by any number that we cancel. And after that we will do multiply. And after multiplication, if that is in improper fraction, so we reduce in lowest term. Lowest term means improper fraction is there, so we change it into mixed fraction. And if proper is there, then no need to do anything. And if improper, then we will reduce in lowest term. Means we will change into mixed fraction. So A part is there. 1 whole 1 upon 3 multiply by 2 whole 1 upon 2. So first of all mixed is there, we change it into improper fraction. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 upon 3 multiply by 2 2 are 4, 4 plus 1 5 upon 2. Now we should simplify. Simplify means if numerator and denominator are coming in same table, so we should divide. So we can see that there is 3 in denominator. In 3 table, no numerator is coming. No 4 come, no 5 come. So now there is 2. In 2 table we have 4. That means it can cancel. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now no one will cancel. So what is left from there? There is 2 upon 3 multiply by, there is 5 upon 1. So now numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. 2 5s are 10 upon 3 ones are 3. Now this is improper fraction. So we change it into mixed. Okay. So 10 divided by 3. So we will get 3 whole 1 upon 3. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do. Now it's a B part. 1 whole 1 upon 8 multiply by 2 whole 1 upon 3. So first of all we change it into improper fraction. So 8 ones are 8 plus 1 9 upon 8 multiply by 3 2 just 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. Again we will check that which numerator can cancel by which denominator. So in 8 table we have note 9 and note 7. So it is not cancelled by 8. We can see that in 3 table we have 9. So we can cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now what is left from here? From here 3 upon 8. And second is 7 upon 1. Now numerator by numerator multiply. 3 sevens are 21 and 8 ones are 8. Now it is improper fraction again. So we change it into mixed. So what will be that? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 2 whole 5 upon 8. When 21 divided by 8, so you will get 2 whole 5 upon 8. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do B part. Now it's a C part. 2 whole 2 upon 3 multiply by 1 whole 1 upon 6. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8 upon 3 multiply by 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1 7 upon 6. Okay. Now we should check that in which numerator can come which denominator. So we will see that in 8 there is 8 and there is 3. In 3 table we have note 7, note 8. So that means it is not cancelled by 3. Now we will see that there is 6. 6 come in 2 table and 8 also come in 2 table. That means we can cancel by 2. Means cancel by 2 means we can divide by 2. So in 2 table where is 6? 2 3s are 6. So there is 3. And in 2 table where is 8? 4. 2 4s are 8. In which table both come? Numerator and denominator. So here in 2 table numerator and denominator both are coming. So we cancel by divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. If come in same table then we can divide. Now 4 upon 3 multiply by 7 upon 3. Again we should multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 4 sevens are 28 and 3 3s are 9. Now it is again improper fraction. So we reduce in lowest term. Lowest term means we change it into mixed. Okay. So now we change it into mixed. So 9 3s are 27. 3 whole 1 upon 9. That's your answer. Okay. Reducing in lowest term means we change it into the smallest form. तो अब हमारे पास स्मॉलेस्ट फॉर्म डिवाइड तो नहीं हो रहे, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर सेम टेबल में नहीं आ रहे, तो दैट मीन्स वी विल चेंज इट इनटू मिक्स्ड. नाउ इट्स ए डी पार्ट. 2 whole 1 upon 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 4 multiply by 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 upon 3. So now we can see that in 3 table we have 9. So we can divide by 3. 9 and 3 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now from here also we can see that 10 and 4 both come in 2 table. So we can cancel by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now in 2 table we don't have 3 also, we don't have 5 also. Means now no one will cancel. Only we directly we will do multiply. From here 3 upon 2 multiply by 5 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 5 3s are 15 and 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now it is improper fraction. So we change it into mixed. So it will be 2 sevens are 14. 7 whole 1 upon 2. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will solve. Next is E part. 3 whole 1 upon 4 multiply by 2 whole 3 upon 5. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 upon 4. Multiply by, now 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13 upon 5. Okay. There is 13 upon 5 and there is again 13 upon 4. So now we will see that in which numerator table denominator is coming. So in 4 table not 13 come because 13 is a prime number, and in 5 table also it will not come. So no one numerator is coming in, no one denominator. कोई भी numerator किसी भी denominator की table में नहीं आ रहा. So we should do, what will we do? Numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. So 13 multiply by 13 we will get 169. 13s are 169 and 4 5s are 20. Now it is what? Improper fraction. So we change it into mixed. So when we change it into mixed, so it's come 8 whole 9 upon 20. जब आप 20 से डिवाइड करोगे, so 28s are 160. 28s are 160. So 8 whole 9 upon 20. That's your answer. Okay. Next it's the F part. In F part you have 1 whole 5 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 3. So we change it into improper fraction. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 5 12 upon 7. Multiply. Now this is already proper fraction. So as it is we write. Now we can say that in 3 table we have 12. अब आप ये मत करना कि यहाँ पे 2 की टेबल में भी 12 आता है तो 2 से कैंसिल कर दो. कभी नहीं. न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर कभी कैंसिल नहीं होगा. नेवर. ओके. आपको 2 से 12 को नहीं करना है. आपको सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर की टेबल में चेक करना है न्यूमरेटर आ रहा है कि नहीं. सो इन 3 टेबल वी हैव 12. सो वी कैन कैंसिल बाय 3. 3 ones are 3. ओके. एंड 3 4s are 12. Now we will not cancel numerator by numerator. Okay. Numerator से numerator को कभी कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे. Now from here we have 4 upon 7 multiply by from here 2 upon 1. Now numerator multiply by numerator. 4 2s are 8 and 7 ones are 7. Okay. Now 8 upon 7. It is improper fraction. So we change it into mixed. So it's come 1 whole 1 upon 7. That's your answer. So like this you will do. ऐसा नहीं कि आप न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर को कैंसिल कर दें. नो, दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. आपको न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर को कैंसिल करना है. सो लाइक दिस यू विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू डोंट फाइंड एलसीएम. ओके. सिंपली हम न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से. सो लाइक दिस यू विल कंप्लीट योर एक्सरसाइज. थैंक यू.